Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best electric guitar in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for an electric guitar that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these electric guitars, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Hey everybody, Mark Agnesi here for Gibson Guitars, and today I'm proud to introduce to you one of my favorite models of all time from Gibson's new original collection of guitars. It's the brand new Gibson Flying V. Now the Flying V made its debut back in 1958 in limited release. It was a little too radical for its day, but over time people started to catch on to this design, this iconic body styling that, as far as I'm concerned, might be the most iconic guitar of all times. So what's new and what's different than the original? Well, for starters, let's talk about what's the same. We got solid mahogany body, just like all of the rest of the Gibson original series guitars. Solid mahogany body, solid mahogany neck on this as well. We have 3 of those hand-soldered CTS 500K audio taper pots, just like we do in all the guitars, that give you that nice, even taper all the way through the volume controls. Pickups in these guitars, a little bit heavier. We got a Burstbucker 2 in the neck and a Burstbucker 3. These have been matched not only for volume and tone, but also for that power that you expect to come out of these things when you plug them into an amp. We got an unbound rosewood fingerboard, simple dot inlays. New for this year, also the inlaid Gibson logo on the headstock and mother of pearl. Grover Rotomatic tuners on the back. It's a rock and roll machine. It was radical in 1958. It's still rad today. From Gibson's new original collection of guitars, it's the all-new Gibson Flying V. Check one out at an authorized dealer near you today.
Hi, I'm Paul Allen, and this is the Schecter Hellraiser collection. This series features active EMG pickups, which have powerful ceramic magnets, which are great for increased sustain and output. These pickups are a little different than a traditional EMG pickup because they can be coil tapped, which allows you to get a wider variety of tones. The Schecter Hellraiser collection is either available in a Floyd Rose original trem or with a Tone Pros bridge system with Schecter locking tuners. Both options are really great for keeping your guitar in tune. The series features an Ultra Access neck joint which looks and feels like a neck through but is actually a set neck. This neck joint will allow you to effortlessly play high up on the neck. The series features a mahogany body with a quilted or flame maple top on select models. Also has a mahogany neck with a rosewood fingerboard, has Gothic cross inlays, and also features abalone binding. The Hellraiser series is available in a C1, C1FR, C7, C7FR, C8, Solo, and C1EX extended scale bodies.
Everybody, this is Brian Ewald here at PRS, and what I've got with me today are the PRS SE Custom 24 and Custom 22. When most people think about PRS, these are the guitars that they think of. They're arguably the most iconic guitars in the PRS line, what really started it all. A few updates now to 2017, most notably the pickups. In 2015, Paul made a couple major strides in his pickup design, discovered some new things, and came out with the 8515 pickups, which sound beautiful. The top ends particularly is really sweet, really chimey, without ever being harsh. There's plenty of brightness in there, but you never get those harsh, ice-picky tones out of them, overtones. There's also a little bit less in the low mid-range that really kind of clears things and unmuddies things. These are the 8515S pickups that are voiced by Paul to emulate the 8515s found in the core instruments. 8515s are very coveted pickups you can only get by buying one of the PRS core guitars. So it's really nice to have these pickups in the SE line. A couple things about these guitars are the same. You've got the mahogany back, maple neck with maple top. They also feature a beautiful flame maple veneer. This is a vintage sunburst, and this one is a tobacco sunburst. They both have the PRS design trem. The 24 fret has a more modern aesthetic and feel with the three-way blade switch. It also has a push-pull on the tone pot so you can split the coils. The 22 fret has the 3-way toggle switch and a slightly different layout on the volume and tone controls. Obviously, 24 fret and 22 fret. Some people really like to have the 2 full octaves per string. The 22 fret is a little bit more vintage inspired. These guitars feature the newly updated PRS SE logo, which features Paul's signature and the SE tucked right there underneath of it. Great looking guitars. They play and sound like a dream, just like you would expect from any PRS. Just like every other SE, all these instruments come right here to Maryland, and they're unboxed and they're gone through by the PRS technicians before they go out the door to the stores or go to you. So you know it's going to be set up and play the way a PRS should. Let's go through and have a listen and hear what the pickups sound like against one another. And I'll play it mainly clean so you can really hear the character of the pickups.